Today we are making delicious Gouda and bacon mac and cheese. It's super easy, super yummy. Kids are gonna love it, and you can whip this up no time, any evening. So my bacon is all chopped and cooked. My noodles are ready. Cheese is shredded. I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic to my melted butter. And we're just gonna let this kind of get fragrant. Hey everybody, my name is Kim and I'm the Happiest Cook. Today we are making a delicious Gouda and bacon mac and cheese. So I have all my things ready. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. When my kids were at home, I was always looking for things that were fast and easy and healthy. My oldest daughter was a runner. She was always boiling noodles and putting cheese on them. Mom, make me mac and cheese. If only I'd had this recipe back then. Okay, so we don't really want them to turn brown. We just want them, we want the garlic to kind of start to, you'll smell it when it hits that, I'm ready to go here. And it takes about 2 minutes. Okay, I think we're ready. All right, next thing we're gonna do is we are going to add our half and half. And we are going to bring this to a boil. Now you want to be careful. You don't want to burn or scorch the half and half. So we're going to just kind of watch it. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to put in our cheeses, stir it all up, and add our seasonings, and yum yum, it's mac and cheese time. I've always impressed my kids when I made homemade mac and cheese. Other kids, they always had to eat it out of a box. Not at my house. We always had homemade mac and cheese. Okay, our half and half is boiling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add our seasoning. I'm going to add our cheese. All the cheese. We're going to add all the cheese, and we're going to stir it. We're going to bring it back to a boil. Then we're going to let it reduce. So we're going to let it cook. Wanted to reduce by about half. So we're going to turn it down to a very low heat and let it cook. And no, we don't want to cover this. Cover it. We have Mount St. Helens eruption. Do not cover it. So we have it at a slight simmer. We're going to go ahead and let this go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Our cheese sauce is all ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add bacon, save a little. Then we're going to stir in our noodles. We're going to bring this back up to a boil. And then serving it up, taking a taste. Our mac and cheese is all done. our Gouda and bacon mac and cheese. You know, if you don't want to miss recipes like this, you need to subscribe. When you click on that button and you go and watch our video, let it go all the way through. Watch it. There's all kinds of fun stuff at the end of our videos that you miss if you don't watch the whole thing. And then click subscribe. Oh my goodness. This smoked Gouda makes the best, the creamiest mac and cheese I've ever eaten in my life. So, smoked Gouda and bacon mac and cheese. We're going to dedicate this video to Emily because she grew up on this, literally. Oh, even the bowl. The bowl is made by Emily. So all of these links to her website are down below in the comments, in the details of our video. So please go down and check out her stuff too. Oh, this is really good. Okay. So you've subscribed, you've gone and you've looked at the beautiful ceramics. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for joining us here on The Happiest Cook. Please join us next week. We're going to be continuing to cook yummy things. And I will see you then here on The Happiest Cook. Like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.